Hey everyone, this is Troy with Lerch RV and welcome to the Vibe 2800 RL. This 2800 is going to give you a lot of space back here with the dual slide out in the living area and kitchen. Of course, over on the left hand side, you'll notice you're going to have a nice large desk with a drawer underneath. Plenty of window space. The Vibes are really nice for your interior space. They give you a lot of windows and brighter decors. Of course, you have your theater seat recliners over here to the side of that. And then, of course, your nice large sleeper sofa on the back with an extra ottoman. The ottoman does convert into another table if need be. The Vibes, you do have your Furrion chill cubes already set in the ceiling. They're very efficient. They give you a lot better pull throughout the entire coach because you have one here, one up in the front. Your extra storage along the rear side there, entertainment to the right, and your nice large pantry storage to the right of that as well. Heading into the kitchen, of course, you have your 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. So plenty of space in there for your longer trips. Heading into the right-hand side of the kitchen, you do have your extra storage underneath, as well as a pots and pans drawer here. And you have your convection microwave oven down underneath. That'll give you plenty of cooking options without having to take up any space from your window. Your storage on the upper side here, as well as below. And of course your sinks on the right. And you do have plenty of counter space, outlets, so you'll have more than enough spaces to hook up and set everything where it need be. And to the left-hand side of your bathroom, of course, you do have your toilet right in there, as well as plenty of space to use that as needed. A shelf above, nice large shower to the left there. And then over to the right, you do have your lighted mirror, counter space, single bowl sink, and storage underneath that as well. And heading into the master bedroom, of course, you have your main door separating it from the rest of the coach. Over to my left, you do have TV hookups, as well as your control for your second air conditioner. You have a nice large closet here. You do have hanging storage, as well as washer and dryer hookup on the bottom. Shelves on each side for a CPAP or anything else you may need up front there. Some additional reading lights, and then of course storage underneath the bed too. On the front of the unit here, you do have your nice large 3/4 fiberglass cap. You have your nice wide pass-through storage compartment here. Power cord, of course, in the center there. Power stabilizer jacks, and a quick connect for propane directly underneath there to the left. And heading back in your main living area on the outside, you have your primary awning right above your main door, secondary awning coming off of the slide out, and a mini fridge here as well. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of the Vibe 2800 RL. Please feel free to let us know if you have any questions either through the website, text, phone call, email, whatever works easiest for you. And we'll be more than happy to either see you then or help you out over the phone. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you then.